Alam nyo ba guys na pwede na nating ma-check online if eligible tayo sa 10 years na expiration date ng ating driver's license, mapa professional or non-professional driver's license. So, turuan ko kayo kung paano i-check yan. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, so first thing to do is mag-open kayo ng browser. So, most common, Google Chrome or Chrome. And then i-type natin, search LTO. Yung first result, click nyo yan. Yung LTMS portal. Yan. And then, if wala pa kayong online account, click register now. And then, i-click nyo lang yung disclosure box to agree. Yan, sa ibaba. Yung terms and conditions or agreement. Click nyo yan. Yes, I accept. And then, you need to type the CAPTCHA. So, dapat tama yan para mag-move kayo sa next procedure. Hindi naman mahirap yan. Pero, basta, hindi yan mahirap. Okay, kapag isa lang kayo, so click on individual. So, sa part na ito guys, normally mag-ask lang yan ng personal information nyo and information sa driver's license nyo. Yung driver's license card nyo. So, license number, serial number, expiration date, and then personal details, your name, date of birth, nationality, yung common lang na ina-ask na questions. So, fill up nyo lang guys. And once you're done creating the online account, so log in. So, since may online account na ako, sign in na lang ako. And then, once you're signed in, so go to violations. So, since gusto nating i-check if eligible tayo sa 10 years na expiration date. So, here, 0 points. So, which means eligible tayo to get or to have 10 years validity ng ating driver's license. So, pag may numbers yan, like 5, 10, or basta above 0. So, hindi tayo. Yun lang guys. Sana nakatulong ako sa inyo. Kung meron kayong questions, pwede lang kayong mag-comment dyan sa baba. Thank you! Basta hindi 0, hindi ka eligible for 10 years.